Good afternoon, everybody. Ricardo Carlini. I'm still working, and I got so many messages from different people asking me to make a video listing all the items that I will bring with me to my New York, Alaska trip. Everything I usually bring with me and everything that I think it's really necessary. Stay tuned. I appreciate if you click like, and I do appreciate if you subscribe as well. It's so helpful for the channel. And tomorrow, finally, I'm going to Alaska. I had to change my agenda because business, I had to work. I was supposed to be leaving 10 days ago. I'm running behind, but hopefully I'm leaving tomorrow. Stay tuned. Thank you for everything. Hello everybody. As I promised, I will show everything I'm gonna bring with me in my expedition New York to Alaska. This is a Raleigh 8-in-1 portable power source. I really liked it because I have a strong tire pressure. It's a strong compressor. I have a jumper cable. Right here in the back, I have light. I have inverter for AC DC. I have those two outlets in case I need to connect my laptop or my cell phone, whatever. But the most important thing I really like in this device is I have a crank. Let's say in case I don't have battery, let's say I have a situation, I'm in the middle of nowhere, my battery is drained off, what am I gonna do? If I have a flat tire, if I need energy, what am I gonna do? If you have this crank, if you crank it up for like 5 minutes, you would generate energy enough to put some air in your tire or to charge your phone, and that's what made me buy this device. I really liked it. I used a few times to put some air in my tires. This is a backup one. We never know. I have two. I'm not bringing in my back. The motorcycle is bringing, not me. That's why I don't care. That's the small tools I bring with me in the top case, and those two little bags are the ones to handle everything here. Let's come to the side. I have two walkie-talkie. Baofeng is the brand. I have a special antenna for them. This special antenna increased the range so amazing. The manual says you can talk open field, the range would be 5 miles. I never tried 5 miles, but 2 miles using this antenna, pretty easy, and the quality is amazing. This is another power bank. I can charge fast with 1 amp or 2.1 amps. I like to have those kind of everything about energy. I like to have any power of energy. I like to bring with me solar panel, crank, all those kind of things. Anyway, that's my spot. You're gonna put this in your jacket, in your body, any part of your body, or in your pant, or in one jumper, but you have to be connected with you in your body, not in your motorcycle. In case you fall or something, you have this red button SOS. You press and somebody's going to locate you, send a rescue for you, and that's the reason you have to be close to it, and don't put in your motorcycle itself. Okay, very good device. And This device creates one link, and I will be sending the link to you all, and then you guys are going to be able to be tracking my travel all the way. That's the first aid kit. Of course, we must have. That's a very strong rope in case, if I need to help someone to tow another motorcycle or vice versa. If somebody needs to tow me for any reason, I have a rope, silver tape, we never know. I bring with me cable ties. I also bring some Velcro. This is another first aid kit. This is a AM/FM radio, solar panel, and USB. It charged with USB as well. I bought because I have this crank here. Same way, if I have no battery, no nothing, no sun, I will be cranking it up and I will be able to see the news, the weather channel. Weather channel is really important. And by the way, the app that I have for weather channel is the Weather Bug. I love it. I'm so familiar with it, and that's the one I use. That's the one I downloaded in my phone. This is my DJI goggle. It's a professional one. Well, right here, few USB cards. Right here, it's my DJI Mavic Pro. Very good one. And hopefully I will be flying and showing you a lot of good images. That's the case for my GoPro Hero Black 5. I have so many accessories here. That's my amazing professional bear spray to repel the bears. Hopefully I never will use it, but if I need, I have it. This is a powerful flashlight. I really like this flashlight. This is a taser. It's a flashlight, taser, and laser. We never know. This is my GoPro Max 360. I love this camera so much. This lamp, not kidding, you can leave it on for 4 days, no problem. The battery will last forever. And it's a very powerful one as well. When I do some camping, if I need to do some camping, that's what I bring with me. This is the amazing ride-on Talons tire sealant. It's a tire balancer and sealant. I've been using it for 8 years. I never had a flat tire. 3 amazing things that I love in this product. It balances your tire lasts longer, and the third one, you never get flat. You cannot go wrong with this product. I mean, the product is amazing. Normally, I would put a new tire I would change the tire with 6,000 miles. My last tire in my last Alaska trip, believe me or not, I changed with 9,000 miles. Thanks, Ride On. Always there with me. I feel so protected because, it's not fun when you get a flat tire in the middle of nowhere. Ride On, guys. Those screws are rubber and they're sealant as well. I have it because sometimes you can make not a little hole but a big hole. Then you may not be able to use this in case it happened. Then you have a B plan. I go for those rubber screws or for those regular tire repair kit that everybody knows already. Very traditional one. I also bring with me the valve remove and a lot of valves as well. Little valves and the valve remove. This is a manometer. That's my tent. That's my blanket. This blanket is really good. It's from Ozark Trail, and it resists in Fahrenheit like 26 degrees. It's really good. That's my jumper or my one-piece suit. I've been using it for 8 years. Amazing, it lasts forever. All the patches for the places I was already passing by. And the brand is Olympic. I cannot say one single bad word about it. I highly recommend. I loved it. That's my jacket. I use this power bank to connect in my jacket. It's this is the on and off button. I have 3 positions. I have hot, medium, and regular. Okay, it's a very light jacket, electric. All you have to do is connect it to this battery. That's my raincoat. It's a BMW raincoat. It's already 8 years with me. Amazing. You are protected 1000% from the rain. This is the tube that I put in my neck. They call neck getter. I bought 5 of them. I think it's really important to protect your neck from sun exposure. I didn't bring all of them. I just brought one to show, but this is the brand I use, the Rock straps. I loved it. It's very helpful, adjustable, and I probably have, I don't know, maybe 6 pairs. Look, 60 inches, and I think I paid around $20 if I'm not wrong. This is the Brazilian flag. The American flag is already in my motorcycle. Right here I have all kinds of gloves. I probably have here 5 pairs. That's my boot. It is with me in the past 8 years. 5 travels to Alaska already. The brand is Triumph. Waterproof and, you know, really amazing boots. That's my brand new helmet, and Schubert C3 Pro. I love this helmet big time. That's my Cardo. It's a new Cardo. I have a braking light system. It's very helpful as well. And of course, once I'm heading west all the way, I have to protect my face. Normally that's the one I use, 50 plus. Repel for mosquitoes. In Alaska we have a lot of them. Some protection for the face. Carmex to protect the lips. That's my vest bag. It's like an airbag. This is the cartridge. I have a cord that goes connected to the motorcycle. Thanks God I never used it, so I cannot say if it works well. And hopefully I never will be able to say anything because I will not use it. God bless me, God bless us. And right here is my duffel bag. It's a 50 liters. The brand is Touratech. I love those duffel bags. They last forever. You can fit so many things here, 50 liters. Right here I have a little box with more things like those hose clamps. I have few of them. Right here I have another multi-function tools. This little box I have so many other things like valve remove, the ride-on tire sealants, always with me. Caps, WD-40. Well guys, that's the thing I will be bringing with me that I really think is important. Another thing, I have a satellite phone that I rented, but I did not receive yet. Supposedly they're going to be delivering to me tomorrow. Okay? And that's my scent to protect me all the way. Always my father gave to me. It's going to be in the left side. It's going to be, in the left side of my suit over my heart. I always bring with me. And now I'm going to finalize the video showing the amazing view from my balcony. That's Manhattan, New York, Hudson River. Guys, I am going tomorrow to my amazing travel. My expedition will start tomorrow, Saturday. And again, if you like, click like, and if I deserve it, please subscribe, because for the channel is really important. It's one more motivation. And the travel will be approximately 34 days, and I will try to cover 12,000 miles in 34 days. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. All the best.